Hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video, let me show you what you need to do to fix any SIM card issue on your phone. Like for example, your phone stopped detecting the SIM after you drop your phone, after system update, any issue like that. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna be using different phones to show you the whole process, okay? So I have here the Poco by Xiaomi, Motorola, and Samsung Galaxy. So the first thing you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna remove the SIM card from your phone. Let me start with this one, okay? Xiaomi phone. Remove the SIM card. So this phone doesn't have any problem with the SIM. It's just to show you what you need to do in case you have, any SIM card problem. So after you remove the SIM, now you're gonna press and hold down the power button until your phone turns off. Let's press the power button. Even though you see right here the action to turn off the phone, don't turn it off. Just keep holding down the power button until your phone turns off. Once you see the logo on the screen, okay, just release the power button. Now let's wait until the phone turns on to show you what else you need to do. If you have a Motorola phone or Samsung phone, it's gonna be the same process. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna press the power button and the volume up at the same time, okay? Press and hold down the power button and volume up until your phone turns off. Let's do it. Power button and volume up. Keep those buttons down until your phone turns off. Okay, now, once you see your phone logo on the screen, just release both buttons. So then let's wait until the phone is on to show you what else you need to do. Okay, this one already turned on, so just put the SIM card back in your phone, okay? So you're gonna see that your phone is gonna start reading the SIM card. You will see. Even on your Samsung Galaxy device or Motorola, put the SIM card back on your phone and you will see your phone is going to start detecting the SIM card. Now, if you still got the same problem, let's jump to the next step. So what you're going to do, you're going to turn off your phone the right way, turn it off, okay? Once your phone is completely off, so now what you're going to do, you're going to press the power button and volume up, okay? Press and hold down the volume up and power button at the same time. Let's do it. Okay, once you see your phone logo on the screen, release the power button, only the power button, and keep pressing the volume up only. And as you can see, I still have the volume up, down. So once you see this menu on your phone screen, now you can release the volume up. Okay, what you're gonna do now by using the volume down, you're gonna go to this action, safe mode, and then press only one time the power button. Your phone is gonna turn off. It's gonna turn it back on automatically. You don't have to do anything else. So let me wait until the phone is on. Okay, now let's open the settings. Okay, scroll the way down until you see apps. Then let's go ahead and tap on manage apps. So I'm gonna show you after this on Samsung Galaxy devices. Right here, you're gonna search for SIM Toolkit. Let's go ahead and tap on that. Now let's go ahead and tap on clear data and clear the cache. Okay, clear data and clear cache. So that's all you need to do now. Restart your phone. Reboot your phone. Now on Samsung Galaxy and Motorola phone, you don't have to put the phone on safe mode. Okay, so what you're gonna do, let's open the settings. Then scroll the way down until you see apps. Let's go ahead and tap on apps. Okay, then let's go ahead and tap on CO apps. Now let's search for SIM card toolkit. SIM. As soon as you put SIM, you will see right here SIM toolkit. Let's go ahead and tap on that app. And then right here, let's go ahead and tap on storage and cache and just clear the cache and data. And now guys, restart your phone. So 100% your phone after that process is gonna start detecting your SIM card without no problem, guys. In case you still have the same problem, please just let me know. Make a comment letting me know you still got the same problem. That way I'm gonna make a second video giving you other solution, okay? And that's all you need to do. If you got any question, please let me know. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video. See you next time.